What's up everybody, hope you're all doing great. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and to this video in which I wanted to take a quick look at GMT or Stepn, but GMT token is used on the Stepn platform, Stepn app, whatever you want to call it. Basically because it was requested, and I covered GMT quite a lot, obviously in that whole beginning. Actually the last 3 months that was in March and April and actually also the end of April, when a lot of cryptos were quite bearish. GMT actually managed to get new all-time highs, which is great, but obviously now that we have arguably, you don't have to agree with me, but I think it has definitely started in some shape or form. We have started with a bear market, and it is quite interesting to take a look at GMT and see what that will mean for GMT. If we take a look at the volume, it's quite high. It is down 7% since yesterday, still at 2.2 billion, which is 3.5 times the market cap. Has dropped down to $1. I have analyzed GMT already when it was lower, but obviously we're used to GMT being above $2 and above $3. So it is quite a big drop, and that volume being that high isn't necessarily good either, because if the price is dropping, that means that there's more sellers, more people eager to sell GMT. So if we take a look at the chart, you can also see that we've been in this very big drop, dropping down from like a week ago, dropping down from 3.3 down to 80 cents earlier today. And we have found some support there here around 80 cents. As you can see, that's also quite a strong support level. But we have to be honest with ourselves. If this is really a bear market, and if we really get more bearish impulses, which I do expect Bitcoin to drop down to like 25,000 at least. Is it reasonable to expect that we're going to hold 80 cents? I don't think so. That's obviously my opinion, not financial advice or that kind of thing. I mean, I think 80 cents and the full level is between 80 and 90 cents could actually hold for a couple of days, because I do expect the market to go quiet a little bit in the upcoming days, so it could hold. But if we get more bearish impulses throughout the whole market, at any point of time during those days, we're going to drop down a level lower to this level right here between 55 cents and 62 cents. That's the next support. Could also be that we like shoot down to 50 cents. That's a psychological support level, quite a strong one as well. And you tend to see that psychological support levels actually do quite well with these fundamental moves. But yeah, we're going to drop down there, and I think that's a stronger support level. First of all, I'm not guaranteeing that it's going to hold for the long term. I do think it's going to hold initially and for a couple of days. So yeah, sadly, that's my analysis on GMT right now. I don't think we can even get across 1.17. We might be able to like take a break retest off of that, so reach that area, but I don't think we'll be able to break above that. So sadly, quite a bearish analysis right now. That says nothing about the long-term prospects of GMT. I think that if GMT came up in a bull market, like at the end of 2020 or the beginning of 2021, it would have been huge. It was already huge, but then it could actually be like a top 10 or a top 20 token in a bull market. So I think it was already a top 20 token right now, definitely in volume, but in a bull market, that's a whole different story. So I think it has a lot of potential, but now the real obstacle and the real struggle will be staying relevant in the whole crypto sphere. And can they do that? I'm not sure yet. I think so, but that's for the long term. And this analysis is for the short term. So if you do have any analysis, if you do have any questions about the analysis or anything I said about the analysis or about GMT or anything at all, please let me know down in the comments. As for now though, thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.